So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. And now you want to find the drive that you're having a problem with. The drive with the folder or the file that you're trying to access. For me, it's with this drive. So I'm going to right click on it. And then click on Properties. And then click on Security. And then click on Edit. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on Add. Now you're going to click on Advanced. And then click on Find Now. Now we're going to find everyone. So you're going to scroll down till we find everyone. Here it is. You're going to click on this and then click on OK. And now everyone's going to appear right here. Now you're going to click on OK again. And now you're going to click on everyone. And then next to full control, you're going to tick this. You're going to tick allow. So make sure that you click on everyone and then you're going to tick allow next to full control, which should now tick everything right here. And then click on OK. For me, I got this message because I'm doing this on my Windows drive. If you're using an external drive, you're not going to get this message. But if you do get this message, you're going to click on yes. And then just keep on clicking on continue. Just go through all of this. And then click on OK again. And now the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.